Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting lying down on our back. Hug your knees into your chest. Take some deep breaths. Begin to rock gently from side to side. Lower your legs over to the left, with your right leg stacked on top of your left for a stacked supine twist. Open the arms wide. Make your way to the other side. Come back to center as you hug your knees into your chest. Open up for happy baby, reaching for your feet or your legs, opening your legs and bending the knees. And you can rock gently from side to side here as well. Close your legs together and grab behind your legs as you roll yourself on up into a seated position. Let's keep our legs crossed. Arch your back as you drop your head back. And now round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Continue to repeat that at your own pace. Round your spine one more time and walk your hands forward, coming into a cross-legged forward fold. Maybe you straighten the arms a little bit more, getting a little bit deeper. Slowly make your way back up. And let's plant our feet on our yoga mat with the knees facing up, coming into a seated figure 4, placing that right ankle on top of the left knee. And the more you sit up, the more you're going to feel this in your outer right hip. If you want to take some movement with your head, you can just tilt your head from side to side, bringing your ear down to your shoulder. Let's switch sides, bringing that left ankle on top of the right knee, and you still have the option to move your head around. Maybe you do some head circles. Come into a butterfly with the soles of your feet together, grabbing onto your ankles as you gently bounce your legs up and down. And come into a forward fold, walking the hands forward. You can sway gently from side to side. Let's make our way back up and straighten our legs in front of us. Take an inhale as you reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, reach for your feet. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Cow pose, look up at the ceiling as you drop your belly low. Cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you reach your right arm up to the ceiling. Thread the needle by sending your right arm behind your left wrist, lowering down on that right shoulder. Reach your right arm back up to the ceiling and lower it down as you lift your left arm up. And when you're ready, you thread the needle. Lift your left arm all the way up and lower it down. Extend your right leg behind you, pointing the toe, looking down. And now pull your knee in towards your chest. Again, extend your right leg behind you. And this time, step your foot to the top of your mat for a low crescent lunge, reaching those arms all the way up. And you can stay like this with the arms, or you can bend your right arm behind you and then reach your left arm down and up to clasp your hands together behind your back. Lower your hands down as you straighten your front leg for half splits, flexing the front foot. Rebend your front leg. Curl the back toes under as you straighten your back leg. And step back into a downward facing dog. And maybe you shake your legs out in your down dog. Lower back down into your tabletop as you straighten your left leg behind you. Pull your knee in towards your chest. Straighten that leg behind you and now step that left foot forward for your low crescent lunge, reaching the arms up overhead. You have the option to bend your left arm behind you and then clasp your right hand with the left fingertips for a tricep stretch. Lower the hands, straighten your front leg for your half splits. Rebend your front knee, curl your back toes under, straighten the back leg, and downward facing dog. Walk your feet all the way up to your hands, opening your legs. Grab onto opposite elbows as you hang here, and maybe you sway gently, just releasing any tension. Release your hands down to the mat, turn your toes out, sink your hips for Malasana. Option to bring your hands to heart center. And maybe you rock from side to side. Have a seat. Let's straighten our legs in front of us and go into a forward fold. Make your way back up and let's come into a cross-legged position. As you reach your arms up overhead, bringing your hands to heart center. For a deep inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.